let's pack and get organized. I am so glad you're here because it is time to pack and get organized. So welcome back to my channel. I am getting ready for one of my first, if not my first ever, influencer-y kind of trips. And I'm so excited that you guys are here because my phone's buzzing, because it is time to pack and get organized. It's just one of my favorite things to do. And I absolutely love sharing with you guys all my packing tips and tricks and organization methods with you guys. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Darian. I make videos about being a mom and being a Jewish mom, and one of my favorite things as a mom is staying organized because I have 3 little boys and things can get kind of chaotic. So especially when I'm traveling, but just generally around the house, I like to stay organized. But this trip is just me. So guess what I won't be needed? This big boy. But I did want to show it to you guys because I am working with Level 8 Luggage in this video. I've shared their stuff many times before. I absolutely love them. I originally got one of their first cases for myself 3 years ago now, and it's amazing, and I wanted to partner with them again this summer and share with you guys their amazing luggage. So I'm going to share all about the trip that I'm going on, which I'm just taking a carry-on for, but I just want to share with you guys their gorgeous luggage set. By the way, they don't all come in yellow. I just absolutely love this, and I said to my husband, like we're gonna have no trouble finding our luggage in the airport with these guys. So let me tell you about Level 8 Luggage, and then let's get packing. So here's a look at what the luggage is like. It's got a beautiful handle that's easy to pull up and down, has multiple positions. And then inside the luggage, one of the things I love is the extra pockets and zippers to just help keep everything organized. That was the 28-inch one, and then here is the carry-on size. It's designed the same way. It's got a lock at the top for your zipper, which I really appreciate. And again, the easy handle. The wheels are full spin 360 and make it so easy to wheel around the airport. My kids especially love pushing it around. It is just a gorgeous suitcase inside and out. So that is why I absolutely love Level 8 Luggage. They are just gorgeous pieces and so much fun to travel with, and also just great quality, lifetime warranty. You really could not ask for better when you are traveling. And now that I've shared all that, it's time to actually get packing. I'm also going to show you guys the outfits I'm thinking of bringing. This is one of those things where it's like everyone can dress so differently. I'm sure there'll be a lot of like professional attire, and then there'll be a lot of influencer attire, which just means like people kind of dressing really out there, you know, to get noticed. Not like in a bad way, but just like showing up to impress. So I think I'm gonna be somewhere in between all of that. So let's see what I got. So here's everything I'm packing, and I thought as I pack, I will share with you guys a little bit about the conference because I'm actually back now. So I took the train to New York. This was my little travel outfit. I was so excited to be reunited with my Insta besties. This was the outfit I wore on the first night for the gala. Everything took place at the Glass House venue in New York, which was gorgeous and overlooked the water and was just so pretty. I just love New York City. So yes, I got to meet up with so many amazing Jewish influencers. It was just incredible to all be together in one place for the first time and get to connect with one another and learn from one another. And then the main part of the event was hearing from speakers. We heard from victims of hostage families. We heard from Andy Cohen. We heard from the mayor of New York. Just so many powerful, impactful speakers. And the night ended with the Matisyahu concert, which was so much fun. Then early the next morning, I went to go grab some coffee and just go for a 6 a.m. walk around the city, which was actually so much fun. And then I got together with my friends again, and we made so many different fun reels and cute things together. This was my outfit. And then we were back to the venue to hear from more speakers and connect. We heard from Richie Torres, the mayor of Brooklyn. We heard from Tova TikTok, who's a Holocaust survivor that also has a TikTok now. She was amazing. And then just got to enjoy some of that gorgeous New York summer sunshine on the rooftop. It was just such an amazing conference. I'm so thankful to have been asked to go. And I'm so thankful to my luggage for keeping me organized and having everything I need for this trip. So that is me all packed up. I just need to blow dry my hair and get out the door. But I'm so excited to have you guys been here for my packing experience. And I'm so excited to share all the details of this really, really incredible opportunity that I'm having to go to this conference. and share with other Jewish influencers. So definitely follow me on Instagram if you want to see the daily updates of it, and I'll try to share as much as I can. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!